Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Eclipse with Java JDK. So make sure to subscribe my coding project and don't miss any new video. You can download and install Eclipse with Java JDK. But if you want to run Java program, you need to install Java JDK. So what is Eclipse? Eclipse is an integrated development environment used in computer programming. It contains a base workspace and an extensible plugin system for customizing the environment. It is the second most popular IDE for Java development. So let's see how to download and install Eclipse. Just type download Eclipse and just click on Eclipse downloads, and you'll just click on download, then click on download, and the download will start. Now type download Java JDK, click on Java downloads. You can download any version. So if you want to download Java 20, just select Java 20 Windows and select the Windows x64 installer, and the download will start. So I have already downloaded. I have downloaded Eclipse and JDK. Now click on next. Okay, now close. Type cmd in Windows search, open the command prompt and type Java space -version. You can see this is the version, Java version 20. Now I am going to install Eclipse. Okay, now just click on Eclipse IDE for Java developers. And then just click on install. Accept now. Okay, now click on launch. Okay, now I'm going to create a sample Java program. For that, just go to file, new Java project, give a name, click on use default Java JDK 20, click on next, finish. Okay, now we have our Eclipse project. Just click on the arrow and you will see asserts. Select, right click, new, package, MVC, click on finish. Now we have a package. Now right click on the package, new, class, say main, and make sure you check the box for public static void and click on finish. Okay, so we have a class main and we have a package. Now I'm going to type here system.out.println and you can see run as Java application, or you can just click on run. Okay, and you can see hello world. You can see hello world. So this is how you run a sample Java program in Eclipse.